Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will show you how to rank your post in Instagram. That can be a post or a reels. Okay, so basically this was shared by the head of Instagram. Okay, so how to rank your Instagram reels. So the main thing is Instagram want to bring the people together. So whenever you are posting something, if uh, the people are sharing your reels or a post to someone, like to their some of their friends in Instagram message, and they are opening, so in this way the Instagram is growing. I mean, you are growing, but also the Instagram uh, overall the Instagram platform is growing. They are sharing to their friends and they are sending that to someone in the WhatsApp. In this way the Instagram is getting more bigger. So Instagram promote such post. So here the main algorithm of 2024 is only and only sharing. So I hope you will find this video useful, and I will also add that video link in my video description. Thank you.